Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, information received from Tigray Defense Force today, if they are seen, great achievements have been made by Tigray Defense Force today. I have already informed you in the previous video about the claims made by Tigray Defense Force regarding the victories in the Amhara region. Tigray Defense Force has now made preparations to take control on Dessie after took control on Vagaltina, Dilanta, Chifra and Vichale in Amhara and Afar region. Viewers, according to reports, Tigray Defense Force soldiers are now moving from Vichale to Dessie. A few videos and pictures have also been shared about it, in which Tigray Defense Force can be seen moving further in the Amhara region. Viewers, according to reports, several Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have entered Kombolcha from Dessie, and now there are fewer Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers in the Dessie. Of course, Tigray Defense Force will take benefit from this opportunity, and that's why Tigray Defense Force soldiers are moving rapidly towards Dessie on the A2 highway. Viewers, the Ethiopian National Defense Force now looks defeated on every front in Amhara region. Tigray Defense Force took control of Vagaltina today after destroying the southern command of the Ethiopian National Defense Force, and has caught hundreds of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers. I have already shared a video with you about this. In addition, Tigray Defense Force took control of Chifra after destroying the eastern command of Ethiopian National Defense Force in the Afar region, and the Ethiopian National Defense Force also suffered heavy defeat in Vichale. The biggest reason of the defeat of Ethiopian National Defense Force are the soldiers who are still underage, and without the complete training of the war, they were deployed to the battlefield in front of a well-trained army, and now they surrendered without any resistance. And now Tigray Defense Force is moving towards Dessie after taking control of several important places in the Amhara region. Viewers, the video about it is also shared by Tigray Defense Force. You watch this video and then talk further. Viewers, and about airstrike on Mekelle, Tigray government spokesman Getachew said that in a statement, Ethiopian Air Force sent its bomber jet to attack civilian targets in and outside Mekelle. Monday is a market day in Mekelle, and the intention is all too palpable. While they are losing big in what they dubbed as a final offensive against Tigray, they will obviously continue to target civilians in a desperate move to exact revenge on the people of Tigray. One of their targets was the Planet Hotel, where dozens or so humanitarian agencies used to have their employees. Apparently, the authorities in Addis are in the know about United Nations Ethiopia's recent decision to move most of its workforce out of Mekelle and Tigray. Whatever the connections there, however, our people would not be cowed into submission by a desperate move by a desperate government teetering on a brink of collapse. Viewers, as you all know, and I have also informed you that there is a lot of airstrikes in Mekelle by Ethiopian Air Force. Video and photos about it are also shared. And now, almost every news agency is circulating this news. And this airstrike has so far received reports of 3 unarmed civilians dying. But a statement has been made by the Ethiopian government about this. A government spokesman denied airstrikes were launched on the regional capital Mekelle. He said there is no reason or no plan to strike civilians in Mekelle, which is a part of Ethiopia, and home to our own citizens. This is an absolute lie. Head of the Government Communication Services told AFP news agency. And more, he said that it is a total and absolute lie of the TPLF just to misguide the international community to create pressure on the Ethiopian state. So far, this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.